Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I am VP CRM and Data Analysis with BISP. Recently, we introduced a new feature in BISP Salesforce application. We have integrated GoToMeeting with our Salesforce. So I decided to share the same requirement, same solution with all of you. So let's figure out the business requirement. So my business requirement means in BISP we used to hold couple of meetings, webinars or batches by GoToMeeting. So we would like to capture the list of all the attendees into Salesforce, those who have attended or registered a meeting host using GoToMeeting so that we can convert them into lead for future. So we have integrated GoToMeeting with Salesforce, and for doing this, we don't need to write any code because there is an inbuilt app exchange, an app available within App Exchange named as GoToMeeting. We need to simply install that app with our subscription with our Salesforce application. So let's have a look how can we integrate GoToMeeting with Salesforce. So as you can see here right now, this is my GoToMeeting subscription where we have got couple of training sessions going on. And I would like to get list of all the attendees, those who have attended these sessions so that we can convert them into leads and share our product details with them or the upcoming courses and the business solutions with them to increase our sale, to increase our revenue. So for this, first of all, you would be requiring one GoToMeeting account. It is preferable if you have got a genuine account. Second thing, you should have a developer's account of Salesforce. Even if you don't have developer's account, you should have administrative privileges to integrate GoToMeeting with Salesforce, because for App Exchange, admin privileges are required. Then I'll switch to my Salesforce, and as you can see here right now I am on my sales application and I would like to integrate GoToMeeting. So for that I'll switch to App Exchange, and in App Exchange I search for Citrix GoToMeeting for Salesforce app. So it's an app. If you want to know more details about this app, you can click on details and you can get all the details about it. You can get the reviews and who is the provider for this app. And so as you can see here, start meeting instantly with a simple click from your Salesforce contact screen, and it would be easy to using GoToMeeting, which includes integrate audio, HD videos, conferencing and screen sharing and so on. So a GoToMeeting account is required, as I have already told you this. Now to get this app, you can see one button named as Get It Now. So you need to click on this app. You need to click on this button. I click on this Get It Now button. It is asking for, if you don't have login, it will ask you to log in as a guest, but as I've told you, it is preferable that you should have a Salesforce credentials. So I already have got my Salesforce credentials, so I click on login into App Exchange. After that, you need to select, would you like to install directly into your production or into your sandbox. So I want to install it in my production, so I click install in production. In next screen, we need to review the customization guide, and that's the username. That's my Salesforce account username, and the duration does not expire, so we can use this GoToMeeting tool along with the subscription as long as we want. So it is free of cost, and it will never expire. I check this option and click on confirm and install. If you want to cancel the installation or back to the previous step, we have those options as well. So once the integration will be completed, it will give a list. So before displaying the list, it is asking me to provide my username, my Salesforce credentials again. So let me provide my credentials, and I close the existing login. So it will complete the process. Here it is asking whether we would like this integration, this tool to be available for all users. So yes, I want to install it for all users. And yes, I want to grant API.citrix online. So these are the packages which may send or receive data from third-party websites. So I just give them permissions and click on continue. I got the confirmation message for installation complete. Click on done, and within my Salesforce under install package, it provided me, it gives me a detail that how many packages has been installed or how many additional applications we have installed in current subscription. So there is only one application has been installed just now, that is GoToMeeting for Salesforce, and it is active. We can uninstall it. We can get the further details by clicking on this. So, and if so, as you can see here, I'm not getting options about this GoToMeeting of the package which we have installed. So I click on this plus sign because we need to configure further. So I'm getting three options. Three options I'm getting: GoToMeeting logs, GoToMeeting sessions, GoToMeeting user settings. So I click on customize my tabs first of all, because I would like to add this GoToMeeting user settings over here, and this we can configure only in administrator's account, administrative privileges. So for other users, by going into settings, we can hide these tabs for other users. So I'm not requiring, so instead of reports and dashboards and product solution cases and orders, I would like to add GoToMeeting. So you can see we have GoToMeeting admin settings, attendees, logs, sessions, user settings, exceptions, any errors are coming. GoToMeeting attendee will give a list of all the GoToMeetings, those who have attended, and attendee match admin settings. So I'll just add all of them and save it. So being an administrator, I am displaying all these things, all the options in my object bar. We can hide this for rest of the users. So very first thing, I'll go to GoToMeeting user settings. Now to set up integration, first of all, I need to click the GoToMeeting account. So I click on set up integration, and it has the GoToMeeting Salesforce has been installed. So, so once integration is done, it is asking me to connect to GoToMeeting. So it will ask me to connect an account. So I click on connect an account, and because I have already logged in into GoToMeeting, so it asks the permission. So allow, and I will check log settings and synchronize my meetings. So meeting synchronizations occur nightly. So every night this meeting will be synchronized automatically. And if we have added any meeting or deleted any meeting or created any new meeting, that meeting will auto synchronize with our Salesforce subscription. So let's go and check the list of GoToMeetings first of all. So I say click on GoToMeeting logs. Sorry, click on GoToMeeting sessions, not on GoToMeeting logs. Click on GoToMeeting sessions here. Logs is for any error, any issues will be coming. So that is for logging. So I click on GoToMeeting sessions, and here you can see all the meetings which we have created within GoToMeeting. So if we count the number of meetings, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meetings are there. So these are the 7 meetings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the number of attendees, those are unique attendees, so the list of attendees will be coming here. It gives it provided us the number of attendees, those who have attended the meeting, and the 14 attendees, they have attended this meeting. I would like to get their list, so I click on Salesforce Wave Analytics, and it gives me a list of all the attendees, those who have attended. So I click on go to list 14, and I can get list of all the users along with their email IDs if they have provided their mail ID. If they haven't provided their mail ID, we won't able to get their mail ID. At the same time, you can see just in the within the meeting, I'm getting one option called new attendees, or sorry, new leads. So I can generate a lead. So for example, that's the user, those who he has attended this meeting, and I want to create a lead for this user. So I click on create lead, and it will create a new lead for me. So as soon as I click on create lead option for this, so it creates a new lead and also provided the names. It also capture the name from there. Company name is mandatory because company name is not provided. So couple of details which we need to provide. So I just provide this detail, and the phone number. Phone number is also not provided over there. We are not capturing phone numbers. We are capturing the mail attendee name, and so email ID is already there, and lead status is open, and we can further generate this lead. So I click on save, and the new lead has been generated. Now we can follow up this lead and assign this lead to a specific user, specific team. Anytime if we want to close the GoToMeeting integration, we simply click on GoToMeeting user settings, and we have an option called disconnect. So we can disconnect from the GoToMeeting, and we can connect to another GoToMeeting, because as you can see here, this GoToMeeting will be going to expire in 9 days. So after 9 days, I would like to integrate it with a new GoToMeeting ID. So I will disconnect it from here and integrate it with new meeting ID. So that's all. I hope you got a clear idea that how can we integrate GoToMeeting with Salesforce. So for further details, for more information on Salesforce, you can contact us on the following mail IDs and the addresses and the phone numbers given here. We are expert in giving training, Salesforce training. Also, we'll be providing consultant services on Salesforce. So you can reach us for both of them or any one of them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.